Hey guys, it's no secret that the Huawei is preparing up for the launch of the Huawei P40 successor in the form of the Huawei P50 series. The devices in this new lineup are supposed to include the Huawei P50, P50 Pro and the P50 Pro Plus. These handsets are in the news from last couple of months. Thanks for the several new details that are emerging each passing day. In the latest development, we now have the details look at the Huawei P50 Pro coming. Courtesy of popular leakster OnLeaks, the Huawei P50 Pro render are now leaked out ahead of the official launch, which does showcase the handset in full glory. We have already seen plenty of rumors and renders of the upcoming Huawei P50 series, and today we have our first live look at the vanilla P50. The images come courtesy of reliable tipster DigitalChatStation, who shared them on his Weibo account. We can see the display, which is rumored to at 6.3 inches. We'll spot a much smaller central punch hole cutout this time, around instead of the pill-shaped one on the P40. We can see the huge camera cutout on the back composed of two large circles which should house 4 camera sensors in total. In a piece of related news, we are aware of the fact that the Huawei P50 series will make use of the Kirin 9000 chipset. The P50 lineup is even said to come with the Harmony OS pre-installed. A leak appears on the Weibo had mentioned that the Huawei P50 has completed its testing on Harmony OS 2.0 Beta 2 successfully and is moving on to test the Beta 3. Past leaks suggest us that the base P50 model will offer 66 watt fast charging and a 50 watt wireless fast charging support. The P50 series is rumored to debut with the Sony's 1-inch IMX800 sensor, which could be the largest camera on a phone to date. The remaining modules are expected to fit an ultra-wide and telephoto lens as well as a 3D TOF camera. Connectivity options on the Huawei P50 are said to include Wi-Fi. Phones are rumored to include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope and proximity sensor. A second leak provides us an even better look at the P50's rear camera, giving us a look at all 4 sensors. The Huawei P50 series is expected to launch around May or June. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.